Hi, I'm Jacqui and I love plants.
Even the smallest flat, even with a balcony or a windowsill, can grow something. I've got here some free seeds that we got from Marks and Spencer's, and I've got a pot that I'm reusing for this year. I'm just going to be putting in some broken crops in the bottom. Now that's just purely to help with drainage. So I'm just going to be putting those in the bottom, and then I'll top up with compost. Just using a fairly standard compost, multi-purpose. I'm literally just getting it out and putting it in the pot. So the reason for not having the soil all the way down to the bottom is just to help make sure that the roots aren't getting too wet in the bottom there. That crock just allows it to stay off of the ground. If you haven't got a broken pot, then polystyrene actually is a great way to reuse that. You can use bits of old brick. Anything really that will just allow some extra drainage holes in the bottom is excellent. And then it's just a case of popping the seeds in, covering them over, and I'll be adding some more to those over the few days to have a succession of crop. Radishes are really quick. They take 6 to 8 weeks generally to actually give your first crop, and they're beautiful as baby radish, obviously, for your salad. So enjoy and see you again soon. Take care. Bye.